Hello everyone, you're welcome to Wise Man's Online Mathematics. The topic on the board is cosine rule. This is the first video on cosine rule that I'm making. Now let me explain where cosine rules are applied. Now cosine rule, both sine rule and cosine rule, cosine rule are applied in triangles that are not right angle. So they are not what? Right angle. So any triangle that is not a right angle triangle, cosine rule and sine rule are what used. Now, in the application of sine rule, triangles that have this nature, triangles of this nature, where you have an included angle here, and then you have a side like this. Any triangle of this nature, just know that cosine rule is what applicable. And any triangle where all sides are given, where you have A, B, C with no angle inside, just know that cosine rule can be what applied. Cosine rule can be what applied. Triangles of this nature, cosine rules are what applied. Now you will notice that the triangle I have on the board to solve today is of this nature, where we have two sides with an included angle. So we are to look, so the first possible place to look for is this particular side. Yes, the first possible place to look for is what this particular side, y centimeter. And now cosine rule, in the application of cosine rule, if I'm looking for this, it says y square is equals to the squares of this, the sum of the squares of that, which is 3 square plus 5 square. That is the sum of the squares of these two angles, which has this included angle. Then minus 2 multiplied by the 3 times 5. Then cos the y, that is 49 degree. So this is how we do it. We take the sum of the squares of this minus 2 of, then you multiply this, the product of 3 and 5, cos 49. So we have that y square is equal to 9 plus 25 minus this 15 times 5, 30 cos 49 degree. Then we have y square is equals to, when you add this, you have 34 minus 30 cos 49 degree. So when I take up my calculator, I have that 34. I have that 34 is equal to, I have 34 minus 30 cos 49. First of all, let me get my cos 49. Cos 49 gives me, this is 30 multiplying 0.6561. So y square is equal to 34 minus, multiplied by 30, I have 19.68. Then y square is equals to, subtracting that from 34, I have 14.3, 14.32. Then I'll find the square root, the root of it. So we have the square root of 14.32. So at the end of the day, the value of the y is 3.78. So I have this y to become what? 3.78. So in my next class, I will do a problem on this nature of triangles. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.